welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ifeoma and you are watching Ifeoma's channel. I want to thank all my old and new subscribers for tuning in today's video. I really appreciate. I thank you for the love and support I've been getting. I really appreciate. And if today is your first time, don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe. Okay, watch the video to the end, like and comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I put a video. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup review. Okay, I have never done it before in my channel. This is the first time. It's something I've been using. Okay, I just decided to come and share with you how I got this product and this foundation, why and why I am revealing it. Okay, so here is the product. And before I start, this video is not for everybody. This video is meant for especially people living in my area. I live in Italy. Okay, and I know that in Italy you hardly see product or makeup for black skin. Okay, I know that some of black people here, they bought makeup online due to they cannot find it in shop, but I am here to tell you this. Okay, that I discovered about 2 or 3 years ago about this product you are seeing here, this foundation made for black skin. Sorry guys if you are not seeing, this is called True Match, but I don't know if you can see it through. I hope you can see it better. This product originally, when I first bought this foundation, it's called Accord Perfect. Okay, Accord Perfect, that is the name of this foundation before they now change it to L'Oreal Paris True Match. This one is L'Oreal Paris True Match and it is in color 8. The name of this one is Cappuccino. Okay, cappuccino, coffee. I don't know if you understand it. Coffee in Italian language they write it cappuccino. Okay, is the name of this one. And this one, as you can see, it matches the color of my skin very perfectly, and is the current one I am using now. The foundation I am wearing now is this foundation. It's very good, very smooth. If you're looking for a smooth foundation, this foundation is perfect. Okay, it's perfect for all kind of skin color. Okay, from fair to a little bit darker. If you even want the darker version of this one, there is very darker for a dark chocolate skin. Okay, very darker skin. But this one, if you are like my skin color, this color is for you, and it's in color number 8. The number is number 8. I cannot show you now because it has been clean. Okay, the number has gone away, but I can assure you is the number 8 cappuccino. You can find it in any beauty store you can find in your area. Okay, it's not, there is no need of going online searching for foundation for black skin. This foundation suits all kind of skin color. Okay, from fair, very darker skin. If you even want the darker color, there is very darker color, and that one is in color 7. Okay, I cannot remember the name because I have never bought it, but it's in color 7. So this one is the one that matches my color, so I picked this one. Very fine, very fine. The application is very nice. Okay, if you are living in Italy, this product you can find it in Profumeria. Okay, in perfume store. You can find it in where they sell perfume, where they sell makeup. I mean your local beauty store. Okay, your local beauty store, you can find this foundation. Is there now in the market. This foundation come out about 3 years ago, and I was one of the people that really see it on time and pick it, and since then I've been buying this foundation. So for those of you who have been buying foundation online because of you don't see it in the supermarket, in the store, in the Italian store, really, yes, you can hardly see it for color girls, for color skin. You can hardly see it in stores, but I am here now to present to you this goodies. Is very nice. This is not a sponsored video. Okay, this is I'm just doing it to tell you that this product now exists in store. It's not a sponsored video. I am not paid. I don't even know the company that make it. I mean the company. I just saw it in a store and pick it, okay? And since then I've been using it. It's very good, very good. It does not leave your skin, your face cakey. You know, there is sometimes when you apply foundation on your face, before you know it, before the sun will beat it, it will turn cakey. Or when you are sweating, the product will turn cakey. You know what? You understand what I mean by cakey. This foundation don't do any of that. This foundation stays on your skin. It is your second skin. It stays on your skin as if it is your skin, okay? So it's very good. So I'm here to present you this. So don't go again online because you are not even sure online what you're buying. It's very good when you're buying makeup, you see what you're buying, you feel it, you test it, and you know whether it's good for your skin color. And to demonstrate it to you, this is my skin. I'm going to be demonstrating it, okay? I'm going to be applying small on my skin. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? See how it comes? See how smooth it looks? Can you see it? Can you see? Very fluent, very smooth, very smooth application. Okay, can you see it? It matches my skin very perfectly. Okay, that is to tell you that the product is very nice. So just letting my sisters, lovers of makeup, to know that this product now exists in stores, in beauty stores in Italy. In case if you want to buy it, okay, you can find this product in stores now. There is no need of going online, okay? You can go direct to your beauty local store and purchase this product. And one thing about this product is that the price is so understandable. It's not pricey. The price is okay for the quality of this product. The price is very okay. It's not pricey. It's not costly, okay? It's not costly. Believe me, it's not costly. It's worth it, okay? The price worth it, okay? So I hope this video was helpful for those of us living in Italy, especially if you come new in Italy and you like to apply makeup, like foundation, and you don't know where to purchase it. You can go to your local beauty store and purchase it, okay? There's no need of telling somebody that is maybe traveling, please buy me makeup, buy me foundation, or going online. You can purchase this in store in Italy, okay? I'm saying this because mostly in Italy you cannot find foundation that is this color for black skin. Mainly you find only foundation for white people, and you know that there is no way you can apply foundation that was made for white people. You will look white, you will look ashy, okay? So this foundation is now existing in supermarket. So guys, this is what I wanted to come here and share with you. I hope this video was helpful, especially if you're living in Italy. I hope you get to like this video. I hope you get to watch it and like it, and comment and subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you subscribe, okay? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.